column, right? Good. So we can create a function, then we need to call that function. Generally in Python programming language, 90% guarantee we are using functional approach, and we are creating a function. Once we created a function, we need to call. While calling the function, name should be matched. Otherwise, good. If a function having parameter, then we need to pass value while calling the function. Did you create a parameter as a function? Yeah, Daniel. Then you need to pass value to that parameter. So that what's a parameter. The next one. If a function having return statement, then we need to assign variable while calling the function. Hello boss, you created a function. Yeah, Daniel. For that function, it is having return statement. What statement? While you are calling, you have to be very careful actually. If a function having return statement, that function call, we need to assign into variable. That is a good practice.
Back and return statement.
Then Daniel, why we need to assign? Why we need to assign? So what you are returning, that value it will be stored into that variable. That variable we can reuse later. That variable we can reuse what man? Along with that one, a function can return multiple values also. A function can return what man? If a function is returning 2 value, we need to assign 2 variable. If a function is returning 3 value, we need to assign. Where exactly this point is helping us, Did you remember train underscore test underscore split actually? Exactly. It was connected. Please understand. Then next one, object oriented programming language. So all these points are important. We can create a class, method, constructor, object. Repeating again, we can create a class, method, constructor, object. We need to call method by using object name with what exactly mean? Parenthesis. We can access attribute by using object name, no parenthesis. Do you want to access attribute actually? Telugulo cheppalani నేను ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను. We'll see. Admin they have given permission. Good. I feel so happy. Let's move on. Constructor will be executed automatically during what exactly mean? Object creation, right? So keyword arguments, function, constructor, next one, method. One more time. Function, constructor, method actual. All right, Sarji. So now get ready. We are entering into our regular topic and actual topic. Almost we spent some 20 minutes. Do you want to become very good in machine learning? Yeah, Daniel. Then ensure you have to be very strong in these 3 topics. What is the first one? Python, pandas, feature engineering. Daniel, I don't know Python. Can I learn machine learning? Please stop it actually. If you don't know Python, then first to be strong in Python. Then only you can easily to understand all other topics actually, right? And ML fundamentals, these are all I have created with my experience. ML flow, ML steps. What is the next one, Sarji? Input, output, model and error. What do you mean by ML flow, Daniel, actually? Right. So the ML flow in the sense, what exactly no, Sarji? 1 minute. Let me just try to keep like this. Come on, read everybody. Data set, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy. Last లో ఏదేదో చెప్పేశారు. Okay, good. Bias error, low bias, high bias. Variance error, low variance, high variance. Good. The next one, ML steps. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. Remember, Sarji, even today we are working on this one. Right. Ensure you should understand input, output, model and what, Sarji? Error. Input and output should be important. You should remember actually. Input should be column format, output should be row format. Good model equals to low bias and low variance. And even we can say good model equals to good accuracy and small error actually. Small error is acceptable, right? Error never be 0, error never be negative. That's what. Okay? Good. Can I walk through this document? Yeah. Online team, are you clear till now? Come on, somebody please talk with me. Rami Garu, thank you. What about others? Please respond somebody. Okay, Tejasri. Good, we are good to go. Daniel, what do you mean by regression? Regression means simple, Sarji. Draw a line over the data. Draw a line over the what, man? Before drawing the line, in that 2 variables actually, find the relationship. Find what, man? If 2 variables having relationship, we can go for regression. You can go for what, Sarji? Regression. why regression? To do the prediction. To do what, Saji? Prediction. Regression analysis is used to explain the relation between two variables, also called as it is a relationship between dependent variable and what man independent variable. I already covered actually. Imagine I have taken so x-axis, think like a area. Here I have taken rice bags actually, and x-axis and y-axis. It means to say area and rice bags having the relation. If it is having a relationship, you can draw a line over the data. Common, you can draw a line over the మనం ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, indirectly this line is helping us to do the prediction. To do what exactly mean? Prediction actually. To do the prediction. That's what you need to be understand. Are you pointing towards to the x-axis actually? Then you're talking about the input. Are you pointing towards to the y-axis actually? Talk with me. Output. That is what exactly mean? Output actually. Please understand that. The next one you got. So types of linear regression. We do have a different types, but mainly the first one will be simple linear regression. Next one multiple linear regression. Repeating again, first one simple linear regression, second one difficult linear regression, right? It's not difficult actually, it's a multiple. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by simple linear regression? Do you have a one input and one output actually? Do you have one input and one output? You need to apply simple linear regression. Daniel, I do have a more than two input variables. More than what exactly mean? Two input. When I say more than two inputs, you need to think like a 2 columns or 3 columns or 4 columns, right? Sir, are you same batch morning? Online? Oh, sorry. Offline, I used to remember your faces actually. మీ మొహాలు నాకు గుర్తుంటాయి. Good. I'm sorry, just casual asking. So when you have one independent variable and one dependent variable, it is also called as a simple linear regression. What exactly mean? Simple linear regression. Yeah, good. Do you have a more than two, so do you have two or more independent variable? Then that is so called as a multiple linear regression. Good. Let me explain one small use case, man. Let me explain one small use case. What is that use case? Imagine there is a person. He started real estate business. When he started real estate business, don't think like immediately he has a 100 houses, 200 houses, 300. He will start any one business. He will start with a small quantity actually. There is a person, think like my brother, and he have automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He collected the information in such a way that there is a one person he is ready to sell his house. He is ready to sell his house, and he collected the price tag also. So my house area is like this, 2600 square foot and 5,50,000. 3,000 square foot, 5,65,000. 3,200, 6,10,000 and respectively. Please understand, if area is increasing, automatically price is increasing. First point, please understand. A data having input and output actually, we need to apply supervised learning algorithm. What algorithm? You should know what do you mean by supervisor, input and output actually. That to look at the target variable, if output is a continuous value boss, if output is what exactly? Continuous value, then we can apply what exactly? Regression. We can apply what mean? Regression. Now imagine there are some customers are coming. For that real estate person, customers are coming and he have his data. He is explaining, 2600, this is the price tag, and 3000, this is the price tag, blah blah blah, 4000, this is the price tag. But suddenly what customer is asking, customer is asking the data which we don't have. He is asking for 3400 how much actually? Can you tell me? For 3400 how much actually? Best example, you went to shop, you are asking some item which is not available, right? Then definitely we know accurate price tag. So we don't want any assumptions. We don't want what exactly mean? Any assumption. Now for the 3400, suddenly he got stuck. Why he got stuck? He don't have a much experience in real estate actually. Then we need an accurate value. We need what exactly mean? Accurate value, including price tag, including paisa also, including what exactly mean? Right. So not only rupees, including paisa. If you are telling that one, that people will get an idea. Oh, this guy is really very good actually. Now what we are doing is, we are going to create a simple linear regression algorithm. Then we can create algorithm, we can train with this data, then we can do prediction. We can do what, man? Prediction actually. Let's do that one very quickly. And today we can close that one. We already done that, I know, but I can walk through very quickly. You will get an idea. Remember this formula, y equals to mx plus c. What is the formula, Sarji? Y equals to mx plus c. First domain. What is the domain? You know, Sarji, real estate domain. Buying. What these guys will do? Buying and what exactly? Selling. Selling either lands or what exactly, sir? Houses. So that's their main target actually. Here prediction. Here sometimes prediction required. Prediction is what exactly mean required actually. Then what we can do? Yeah, Daniel, we do have a data. Good. Suddenly somebody is asking, can you please tell me for 3400, so area, how much price tag? How much, what exactly mean? Price tag actually, price tag. If that person is asking the existing one, we can tell directly 3200, this one is a price tag, 3600, this one is a price tag, but we don't have that value. Then what we can do, right? So let's apply machine learning. Let's apply what exactly mean? Apply machine learning. Wherever prediction came, can you tell me, sir, wherever prediction required actually, then what topic will come? Machine learning will come, ML will come. Okay, good. We are good to go. I hope you understand. Can I explain the whole example in one shot actually? Can I explain? Good, let's move on. Let's execute this. Okay. Don't worry. If కొంచెం టైం తీసుకున్నా సరే, don't worry. All you guys need to align. Hey, easy, sir. Very easy. Don't worry. The topic name is a simple linear regression. Can somebody help me? What is the step number 1? Step number 1, importing the libraries. Go one more time. Importing the libraries. What is the first library? Pandas. What is the first library, sir? Pandas. Import what exactly, sir? Import pandas as PD. Chappani. Import pandas as PD. You have imported successfully. What is the next step actually, sir? Tell me. Loading the data set. Loading what exactly mean? Data set. Come on, let's load it. Oh, I need to write the code, Daniel. So df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Can you tell me? Home prices. Okay, home prices dot csv. Good. Can I run this code? This is good practice. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. Once you are loading the data set, in your hand you will get always data frame. Tell me, sir, always will get what mean? Data frame. On top of the data frame, you need to apply some basic operations. You need to apply some what mean? Basic operation. What are all basic operation, you know, Sarji? First, you need to understand how many number of rows and columns actually. Then what I need to apply? Shape attribute. What I need to apply? Shape attribute. Then you will get a very clear picture. Daniel, there are total 5 rows and 2 columns. You should understand. You should what exactly mean understand. Daniel, I wanted to know how many, what are the name of the columns I wanted to display. What is the name of the column, Sarji? What is the first one? Area. Next one, price tag. Right? It is written in index actually, but I need a list data structure. There are 2 ways. 2 underscore list you can apply. Chappan Sarji, gurtunda meeku. 2 underscore list you can apply. Otherwise, list function also you can convert. List function also you can convert. Good. Daniel, I need what I can say, in real time, దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే check data health. Check what exactly mean? Data health. If you are calling info method, if you are calling what exactly mean? Info method. Checking the data health actually. I mean to say, sir, info method returns lot. Info method returns what exactly mean? Lot of information actually. Good. Whenever you are calling info method, it gives lot of information. What are the information it gives, what is the name of what is the type of object actually, then how many number of entries is short from 0 to 4, data columns, right? So there are total 2 columns. First one is area, next one is the price, and these are all what exactly, no missing value, no missing value. This number and this number should be matched, otherwise missing values actually, right? Can I tell you, ఇక్కడ మీకు కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ చెప్పమంటారా? Verbose equals to, I hope I didn't cover this. మనం అక్కడ వెర్బోస్ అని అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. See, look at my screen. If you, what do you mean by verbose? Verbose in the sense, I don't want to display everything. I need only some small of info. Hey man, first of all, what is syntax it is? That's good. So verbose equals to false means what exactly? I don't want all much information. Out of 10, I just need to display only 5 to 6% of information actually. See, so type of the data and how many entries actually? 5 entries. And how many columns, man? 2 columns. And what are those columns? Area to price. Very good. The next one, D tabs it is displaying. Next one is what exactly? Memory. No missing values count it is displaying. Did you remember, sir? Right. So here, not required, but if you want, you please make a note. Daniel, how you know? Regularly we used to work, sir. Daily pandas में देखो work just on. Verbose equals to false. Then by default, if you apply true, what meant true? Previously, what output you are getting, what exactly will get this one actually. By default, this value is, you no need to provide actually. Even if you are not providing, you will get this one. I believe you understand. What is the keyword argument name? Verbose. Verbose in the sense, expose everything. Verbose equals to false means don't expose everything. Don't display everything actually. That's what you need to be understand. That's very good. Now, I believe you understand. Move on. Then can somebody help me? What is the step number 3, Sarji? Very good. Here we need to spend seriously very good amount of the time. Okay. Step number 3, data preparation. Get ready. Data preparation means what exactly, Sarji? X, Y. X and Y. Also called as the input and output. What exactly mean? Input and output. Okay. Data preparation means input and output. We already know. Input should be, hold on. X and Y should be array. X and Y should be, input should be column. Output should be row format. Then what you can do, especially, and you can just have to prepare df underscore new equals to, otherwise new underscore df, that's still okay. Anything is fine. New underscore df equals to df dot drop off. And what we can drop actually, let me just try to drop price tag. Access equals to what, searching? Columns. Or 0 also we can apply. No, 1 you can apply. Very good. I still remember Abhishek suggested one thing. Alright, Daniel, go for single accessing. Yeah, that's one also still we can do. Good, sir. Single column array. Single column data frame. What exactly? One more time. We can still get like this also. Mirela koda vastundi. Single column data frame. How you can, make chepmantara? Yes, you can access directly like this also. Hold on, sir. Look at my screen. Even this one also valid and this one also what exactly mean? Valid actually. Up to you. Many ways, sir. Many ways. But if you know 1 or 2 ways, that would be fine. Do you wanted to access a single column? Do you wanted to get single column data frame? Either this syntax you can apply or else what exactly, sir? This syntax also you can apply. Are you clear? Good. Then it's okay. Let me just try to pass through this one. Daniel, I don't want single column data frame. I need a single column array. Dot values you need to apply. What you need to apply, Saji? Dot values. We already know this. Exactly. Now let me just try to assign to what exactly, sir? X. Please don't feel bored. The next one. What is the next one, Saji? Y. We need Y actually. df of access price. What is a Y, Saji? Price tag. I mean to say output is a price tag. Can I close these are all? This is not required. We got a series. We got what exactly, sir? Series. I don't want series any day, so array. Values kada. If attribute name is wrong, attribute error. What error? Attribute error. You need to test. Yeah, very good. Now we are good to go. Yeah. Sir, come on, repeat one more time. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. What is the next one? Splitting the data set. Splitting data set, let us make it optional today. Daniel, why it is optional? Small scale data. No, sir. We are not touching that actually. It's okay. Good. So the next one, data visualization I'm not doing. Step number 5. Can somebody help me? Model creation. Then there is a one predefined class. Class name is a linear regression. What is the class name? This formula is important, Sajay. I can highlight today. We're almost very near to finish all this recap actually. Okay? Yeah, good. Listen carefully. In machine learning, we have algorithms. In machine learning, we have what exactly, man? Algorithms actually, right? Hold on. నేను రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ లో మెయింటైన్ చేయమంటారా? First of all, this is the subject. What is the subject actually? Machine learning is a subject. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning, what exactly mean? Algorithms is a subject actually. These are all algorithms. These are all algorithms, and these are all kind of some practical, I mean to say, classes actually. Packages, right? What is the first algorithm, Daniel? Simple linear regression. Simple linear regression is a algorithm name. Then here the class name is a linear regression. Okay, what is the class name? What is the package name actually? Did you remember? Scikit-learn, sir. Did you forget that one? That package name is a Scikit-learn. We need to install that actually, right? Are you talking about the simple linear regression? Then there is a one class name you need to import actually. What is the class name? That's what we have imported. That's what we have imported actually. Okay, yeah. Now after importing, what we need to do? So after importing, what we need to do, sir? Creating how can you say it is a class? Capital letter. Move on. The next one, model equals to linear regression. What exactly mean? Linear regression. Successfully we have created algorithm. Now everybody come on. Oh, some spell mistake here. Come on. System hanging, sir. Model creation. Can somebody help me? What is the next step? Model training. Model what exactly? Training actually. Step number 6, model training. To train the model, what we need to do, so model dot fit of, here what we need to pass, x comma y. What we need to pass, Ajay? X comma y. Model training. We done. These are all we done actually. Can we read everybody one more time? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. After this, what is the next step, Sajay? Prediction, right? And let me do the prediction. To train the model, we need to call a method. Method name is a fit. What is the method name, sir? Fit method actually. Fit. Step number 7, prediction. Okay, so result equals to get ready, Sajay. Result equals to model dot predict of, and here we need to pass. Let me pass single value. We can even pass multiple values also. I can talk later. Now let me just try to print this result actually. Okay. Good. Get ready, man. How easy it is, boss. Machine learning is, if you know pure Python code. This is what exactly, sir? Pure Python code actually. Exactly. This one is a price tag. This one is what exactly, man? Price tag. Conclusion of this story. This one is a data. So seems to be area and what exactly? Price. And that data we have utilized in such a way that we trained our model actually. Yes, we trained our model. Model understand. Now we created a model in such a way that model understand real estate data. What data? If you have given real estate data, model will understand real estate domain. If you have given e-commerce data, model will understand e-commerce data. If you have given a healthcare domain, healthcare data, it will analyze. Simple. Let us take a small baby. Are you giving good words actually? Baby will talk good words. Baby will talk what, man? Are you giving bad words actually? Baby will scold like anything. I hope you know that one actually. Here also same. What data you are giving, it will feed with the same machine learning algorithm. Please understand this one, right? These are all I have covered. Go back to the session. Sir, method. How can you say it is a method? You are calling by using object name which is having parenthesis. This method backend, it was created with the two parameters. It was created with what exactly, man? Two parameters. Then we need to pass two values. We need to pass how many values? Two values. Next one. Predict is again method. How can you say it is a method? You are calling by using object name having parenthesis. Right. Daniel, I wanted to do the prediction. Can I pass directly values like a 3400? No. You have to pass with array structure. You have to pass with what structure, man? Array structure. Anil, do one thing. Sir, admin pill. Do the sound internet. Online team, hold on, sir. Let me check with the. We done these are all thing. Till predict method I done actually. Can I? We done these are all. There we go. Let's move on. We done prediction. These are all. Yeah. If I say we done today's session, you will scold actually. Why? Because these are all. So last class I done actually continuation. From here onwards, I need to continue actually. Are you ready? Come on, are you ready? Let's move on. Guys, get ready. Now, can you tell me what is the topic name? Simple linear regression. Simple linear, what exactly mean? Regression. Now, please understand, what do you mean by simple linear regression? Please understand this word. This word is important. Important word here. Important word. What is that word, Sarji? The word name is called as a line. What is the word name? Line. Line actually. What do you mean by simple linear regression? Draw a line. Draw a line over the data. When I say over the data, two columns. When I say two columns, actually input and output. Chappan Sarji? Input and what exactly mean? Input and output. Oh, then we understand X and Y. What exactly, sir? X and Y. Then line having the formula. Line having the what exactly? Formula. Formula into the back end law. What is that formula? Sarji? Y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to what exactly, sir? Mx plus c. Come on, one more time. Y equals to? It is also called as a house price equals to m into area plus c. Come on, let us repeat one more time. House price equals to m into area plus what exactly mean? C. Plus what exactly? C actually. Okay, good. Go back. I hope you already remembered actually. నేను ఎక్కడ ఒక ఫార్ములా డిఫైన్ చేసి ఉంటాను కదా. Hold on. There is a one diagram. Last week I told that is optional as per that day, but today is important. Price equals to m into area plus either C or B. Anything you can say. Either C or what exactly mean B. Anything you can say. It's okay. Anything you can say. Hey Daniel, what is a m here? M is so called as a coefficient value. What value? Coefficient value. Good. And the next one, B is so called as an intercept. B is so called as what exactly mean? Intercept actually. Intercept. We'll talk later what do you mean by, so coefficient and we'll understand the definition later. But today, let me tell you practically. Repeating again, machine learning algorithm, especially, do you want to create a line over the data? Yeah, Daniel. There is a formula. That formula equals to y equals to mx plus c. That too, house price equals to m into, can you tell me, sir, area? Next one, B. B actually. Good, let me tell you. Can you please talk with me? What is this value? 3400. This 3400 belongs to, can somebody help me? Area. Oh, very good. Repeating again. This 3400 belongs to what exactly mean? Area. We know area, but we don't know what exactly mean? M value. Yeah, price also we don't know. That's what we are trying to, identifying actually. M value we don't know. What exactly? B value also we don't know. What is M here actually? Coefficient. What is a B here actually? Please focus on this one. This point is important. After model created, this point is important, Sarji. After not model created, after model trained, After model, what exactly mean? Trained. Model having two attributes. Model having what exactly? Two predefined attributes. Two predefined what exactly mean? Attributes. What are those predefined attributes names? You know, first one is called as a coefficient. What is the first one, Saji? Coefficient. Coefficient. The next one is so called as intercept. The next one is so called as what exactly mean? Intercept. Repeating again. Did you created a model? Yeah, Daniel, I have created. Did you train the model? Yes, Daniel, I have trained actually. Get ready. Hold on. After your model training, we went for prediction. We went for what, Saji? We went for, but hold on, don't go for prediction. Once you created a model, once you trained the model, internally, model having the two predefined attributes. Come on, please talk with me. Internally, model having what exactly meant? Two predefined attributes. What is the first attribute name is so called as a coefficient. What is the first one? Next one? Hey, Daniel, I wanted to see what is that coefficient value. I wanted to see what is that intercept value. You can see such. You can see. Let me show you the first one. So access the coefficient value. Access what exactly mean? Coefficient value. Get ready, Sarji. Get ready. Oh, sorry, Sarji. Coefficient, right? I'm sorry. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Spelling, I mean to say, not in technical discussion. Daniel, I wanted to access coefficient value. Do you wanted to access coefficient value? It's a very simple, Sarji. Yeah, get ready. Let me show you. Let me show you the example. Yeah, please understand. Here is, can I ask a question? Class, what is the whole line? Object creation. What is the object name here? REG, regression. But in our code, the object name is a model. Madam, what is object name? Model. Right. With object name, you are calling something which is having no parenthesis. Talk with me. Attribute. That too, if the attribute ending with underscore symbol, if the attribute starting with underscore symbol or ending with underscore symbol, that is called as a special attribute. What attribute, sir? Oh, good. So, do you wanted to see the coefficient value actually? Yes, you can call this attribute, then it will be display the coefficient value. Daniel, can I see actually, sir? You can see. Come on, let me display that value. Ee prediction pakkan pedadam chudandi. Accessing attribute. Special step, sir G. Special step actually. Accessing attributes. Daniel, how to access? Simple enough. Very simple. Don't worry. Then print off model dot model what exactly mean? Dot coef underscore symbol. When you're accessing attribute, name should be match. Otherwise, let me try. Let me try. You should not access whatever you want. Gone case. Attribute error. Ensure you already know the error name actually. You already know. So the reason why we are getting this attribute error. Good, good. Now Daniel, I wanted to see coefficient value. Yeah, exactly. Very nice. Oh, what is the value, Sarji? 135.78 blah blah. It's okay. I can just we'll do one thing. I can say m equals to this value. Then can somebody help me? What is the next value I need to capture, Sarji? Chappandi. What is the next value? Intercept value. What is the next value? Intercept value. Very good. Let me capture the intercept value. How to access intercept value? Very simple, sir. Very simple. How to access, Again, there is a one predefined attribute. That attribute name is a intercept. What is that attribute name? Intercept. Tell me, sir, attribute name? Intercept. Underscore symbol. Special attribute. What attribute? Special attribute. Wow. Very nice. Did I created this one? No, I didn't create it. Once you train the model, once what exactly meant to train? What do you mean by that? Once after you are calling fit method. Once after you are calling what mean? Then after that only coefficient value and intercept value will come actually. So please understand this point is very, very important, right? And now, hey Daniel, what is this value? Is this value, sir, constant always actually? Not always constant. With the data, it will change actually. B equals to intercept value. B equals to what exactly mean? Intercept value. Then, are you ready? Can I ask you one beautiful question? What is the formula for line? Formula cheptara? Good. Y equals to mx plus C or B. C or what exactly mean? B. It's okay. Good. According to our data, house price equals to Chappan Sarji M into area plus B. Very good. Am I right? Good. Daniel, I wanted to do the prediction. I wanted to what exactly mean? Prediction. Prediction for 3400. Prediction for what exactly? Then what we done? Model dot predict of like that we done actually. Like that what exactly mean? We done. Man, what happened in on the back end? The moment whenever you are calling predict method, whenever you are calling what such a predict method, backend it will use this formula. I told right, machine learning algorithm means backend. This algorithm learn formula from the data. Learn formula from what man? This value it will be substitute here actually. Then what about m value? M value we have here. Then what about the b value? B value also we have here actually. Are you ready, sir? Let's do one thing. Let us take this formula and let us even substitute actually, right? This one is come on, I need your help. M value ఎంత సార్ చెప్పండి? 135 blah blah blah, this value. Okay, beautiful. Then 3400, right? Area ఎంత సార్? 3400. What is the B value, sir? Exactly. No, don't tell. Such a big value actually. Even I don't know how to read it, right? Good. We'll do one thing. We'll print even this value. We will even print this value. Then both should be same. Both should be what, man? You are calling predict method. Backend this formula is executing. What is executing? Formula is executing. Come on, let's do that actually. Sir, check చేద్దాం చూడండి. నేను ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాపీ చేశానా? చేయలేదు కదా. Hold on, just give me 2 minutes. Please, important, sir. This discussion is important. Existing coefficient value. Okay. Same thing like that. I need to copy paste what exactly, sir? Intercept also, kada? Let's do that example also. Then we can close the discussion. Please be patient. See, online team. So I need to talk with you. Are you getting? Please, can somebody talk with me? Intercept value. Okay. Easy, sir. These are all very easy. Don't worry. Online team. I need a response. Ramya Garu, Sony, next Abhishek Sarji. Thank you. I mean Sony boss. We done these are all. Oh, this one should be intercept underscore. While you're accessing attribute name should be match. Otherwise, attribute error. Good. Then you'll do one thing. You can just say to come here and step number 7. You can do it actually. Prediction. I can say this one is what exactly, sir? Prediction. Model dot. Can we create a variable? Variable create cheddama. Okay. So result 1 equals to model dot predict of Chappan Sarji 3400. What exactly, sir? 3400. Good. Let me take the formula. Let me take that formula. I can copy paste. It should be underscore. Am I right or not, such? I can make it. This one should be result 2. Is it okay for you? Result 2. Now, let me print what exactly, sir? Both should be matched. Otherwise, your calculation is wrong. Did I miss anything? No. Can I continue? Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me. Oh, seriously, super search. 6,42,294 paisa, 52 paisa. 6,42,294 exactly the rupees are matching and paisa, and especially math calculations are more accurate. After paisa, that is still okay. We can ignore actually. Arey man, somebody paying 6 lakhs, 50 paisa any matter. No matter, right? Hope you understand actually. Conclusion of the story, exactly. Are you calling predict method actually? Yeah, Daniel. Backend formula is executing. What is executing? Formula is executing actually. That too. This value is so called as a coefficient value. What value, Saji? One more time. Coefficient value. This value is called as a intercept value. What is a coefficient? What is intercept? We have a separate discussion. Don't worry. Can I continue? One. Very good. I believe you understand, right? and calling, predict method, and so calculating manually. This is seriously very good example. You need to practice, then only you will understand actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. What is the time? 10:30. We have enough time. I'm sure you understand this are all discussion. Capture the intercept value from the regression. Even intercept also I done actually. Then what is the next one? Intercept and coefficient. Just now I covered. Saji. Just now I covered. Price tag equals to M into area plus B. And here M is so called as a, so you can call as a coefficient. You can also call as a slope. You can also call as a gradient. Separate discussion. B is called as a intercept, Saji. What exactly? Intercept. Good. That's what I done calculate. Let's calculate above formula. Y equals to mx plus b, blah, blah, blah. We done actually, we got the right value. We got what exactly, man? Right value, actually. Right value. Here, how much we are passing actually? But how much I am passing here? Please ensure you should know. Chapter Sachi, 3,400. 3,400 actually. Please make a note on this. Oh, very nice. Let us enter into the discussion. First of all, what do you mean by the topic name? Simple linear regression. What is exactly this means? Draw a line over the data. Draw a line over what, man? Indirectly, that line is helping us to do the prediction, right? Did you remember previously, we have created a data visualization. We have created what, man? Data visualization. Let me create data visualization first, then we can move on to the discussion, right? Now, please understand. Draw a line over the data. Drawing, so drawing a line. Draw a line over the data. Easy, Sachi. Easy. Okay. You can just try to delete these are all. I wanted to make it this one is a special step. Get ready, Sachi. If you didn't understand, do let me know. Why? Because this is really important. So, the first algorithm is actually, I believe you already done practice. If you didn't understand, you can please be frank. I will explain one more time. Don't worry. Yeah. First, let me create scatter plot. Let me create what exactly, sir? Scatter plot. Then what is required, Sachi? Any idea? Import. Yeah, matplotlib. Correct only, right? Let me create a scatter plot. You can go to the next line. You can bring this one to the next line. Next line, this one is valid. And in real time, we are working in such a way that valid. These are all valid. Do you think we will get output? No, why? Yeah. So we have to call what exactly, man? PLT dot. You need to start the show. Then only the cinema will start actually. Please type. Don't copy paste the example. Very good, Sergey. Very good. So this is think like we have a data, and with existing data we have created this kind of scatter plot. With existing data we have created what, man? Scatter plot. Daniel, why this scatter plot actually? Why this scatter plot, Sergey? By looking at the data, you will understand many things. First point, data is traveling from down to, earth to sky. To say downwards to upwards. If the data traveling from downwards to upwards, that is called as a positive relation. What relation? What relation, sir? That too, the data almost looks like a line. It's okay. There are some small curve shape actually. That's still okay. Almost looks like a line. Then strong relation. What relation? Daniel, can I draw a line over the data? Yeah. You could focus in. Do you wanted to draw a line over the data? Yeah, Daniel, I wanted to draw a line over the data. Then you need to use machine learning algorithm. Tell me, you need to use? One more time, you need to use? Oh, good. How to draw? Let me tell you. Now, let me just try to draw this one. Sir, do you wanted to draw a line actually? Yeah, then you can call a function. Function name is a plot. Function name is what exactly, man? Plot actually. Plot. Okay. Good. సో ప్లీజ్ బీ ఫోకస్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Whenever you are creating a scatter plot, you are using existing input and existing output. Listen carefully, please. మీరు స్కేటర్ ప్లాట్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని యూజ్ చేశారు. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఏరియా, దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ప్రైస్. But when it comes to creating a line, existing input only we need to use. But when it comes to output, you need to prediction. You need to apply what, man? This is important point actually. Here we are creating a line by using linear regression. By using what, Sachi? This is important point you have to be aware. Let me repeat again. Malli osari repeat chestan chudandi. What do you mean by simple linear regression? Create a line over the data. To create that line, how you can create, you know, Sachi? We need to use ML algorithm. You need to use what, man? Man, arey boss, you know, if you are directly using y value here, మీరు ఇలా యూజ్ చేయకూడదు, right? Boss, if you are directly using y value here, then where is the machine learning algorithm discussion, right? You will get what exactly like this actually. I'm sorry. Yes, see, but I don't want this one. Did you understand? Can I ask you one question? Now you created a line with existing data. You created a line with what, man? No machine learning algorithm here. Ikkada algorithm ledu. Are you with me or not, sir? But you need to use algorithm. You need to use what exactly algorithm? To use algorithm in such a way that model dot predict of output values would you have, right? What values would you have actually? Output value, df of area dot what exactly value. We are doing prediction for all existing area and we are passing here. Now let me draw this one. This is really beautiful example. You need to spend some time here. It koncham time spend cheyali ikkada. Okay? Yeah, this is beautiful diagram. Now exactly, where are all dot symbol, star symbol, existing data? What data? One more time, existing data. But the line is not existing data. Input is existing data, but output is prediction output. What output, man? This point is important. If you didn't understand, do let me know. I'm happy to help you actually. Simple, man. Do you want it to plot actually? Yeah. Here you need to take X value, area. And here we should not take directly price tag actually. Take area, do the prediction. Take area, do what exactly, man? Prediction. That's what you need to be understand. I believe you understand. Online team, how good you are in understanding? Are you following? Please, sir. It is very easy. Let me drink water. Yeah, simple, very easy. Do practice. Abhishek, Gautami garu. Then this is the last example. This is the last example from this chapter. First of all, let me explain what is the purpose of this last example. You will get an idea. You will get what exactly an idea. Example purpose ento cheptanu chudandi. Hello, are you clear? Good. Once can we read all these points? E points osar chodudama. Seventh. Hold on. Seventh point also we can add. What is the seventh point? Prediction. Come on, let us read everybody. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, prediction. Thank God, yeah. Last one is the prediction. What is the last one? Prediction. Thank God, these steps I already covered a long back. I already tell like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. These are all 1 to 7 steps actually. మీకు నోటికి అవి అన్ని అలవాటు అయిపోయినాయి కాబట్టి ఆల్ దీస్ స్టెప్స్ యు ఆర్ హ్యాబిచుయేటెడ్. దెన్ వెన్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టాస్క్, యు నో సచ్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా? టేక్ ది స్టెప్స్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టు కీప్ అండ్ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్. అండ్ హియర్ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఎ కోడ్ హియర్ యాక్చువల్. రైట్ ఎ కోడ్ హియర్. This is good practice. Write a code for above step and even next step. Write a code actually. Write code for that. Code for this. If you are doing this kind of practice, seriously awesome. Why? Because you are purely depending upon these steps. You are purely depending upon what, man? Steps actually. Can I continue? Daniel, please. Predicting group of home. Yeah, good. Guys, till now what we done? Till now what we done, Daniel? What we done? ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఏం చేసాం? let me explain in a high level. Simple, there is a data. There is a data. Data having area and data having what exactly? Price. There are two columns. Very nice. Then second step will be, I'm explaining in a high level. We have created a model. Created what exactly, sir? Model. We created a model. Then after that model creation, we train the model. We trained what exactly mean? Model. Model training. I mean to say model creation. It's okay. Model creation. After model creation, can somebody help me? So model training. Model what exact? Training the model. Model training. Am I right? I need a response. Am I right? Good. Daniel, after this one, fourth step will be Chappan Sarji prediction. Chappan Sarji? Now, till now, prediction we done single value. We done what value? Right. Daniel, single value prediction we done. Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by that? What I mean to that, Sarji? Model dot predict of, and here, can I pass a single value? Anna, you can pass single value. 3400 you can pass. Again, we pass single value. Model dot what exactly? Predict of what exactly, Sarji? 5000 value. What exactly? 5000 value. 5000 value. I'm sorry, 5000 only, right? Yeah. 5000 value. I have created this model and I have delivered to the client. I have delivered to what exactly, man? Client. This model works very well if customers are one by one. But suddenly 20 customers came. How many customers came? We should not make them to, boss, sit outside actually. I will call one by one. Come first customer. How much you need actually? Enter the value. Go outside. Come second customer. How much you value actually? Right? Go outside. That is not a good practice. Can we do prediction for multiple values? What exactly mean? Multiple values. We can do. That is the next example. Agree with me? That's the next example, right? Now let me show you the data set. In the data set చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Areas. Oh, there is a data set. Data set name is so called as. ఇది మర్చిపోయాను. Last week did you uploaded these home prices? Yeah. Oh, sir. Oh my God. These are all areas we need to do the prediction. Total how many values? 13 value. 13 value. Are you with me? Good. Suddenly, all these customers came. My brother business is increasing. He is a real estate person. Not only one or two customers. He is getting bunch of customers. Now, imagine if I deliver this model, go to the predict method. Go to what method, Sajay? Predict method. For that predict method, what he need to do manually? Manually, what he need to do, Sajay? First, he need to apply what value? According to the data, tell me, 1000. Then he need to note the result in somewhere. Then next one, what exactly? What is the next value? 1500. He need to pass to here actually. He need to make a note. And what is the third value actually? Man, keep on like this. 13 times my brother is supposed to run the example. How many times? That's not a joke, right? That's very tedious job actually. Instead of that, I will take all these values in one shot. Can I do prediction for all these values in one way? Yeah, you can do. And at the same time, I wanted to add one column here. What is that column name? Yeah, price tag actually. Prediction price. What price? Prediction price. And I wanted to add all values also here sequentially. Possible? Absolutely possible. Absolutely what exactly mean? Possible. That's what we are doing. Let's do that activity. Then you will get an idea. Chadon chudandi. 10:45. Can I continue? Seriously? I will continue. First time. Okay, 10:45. Online team, if anybody having login time, you can just try to move on. I can recap tomorrow. Why? Because in offline students are more interested. I don't know. Let's move on. Go to step number 7. Step number 7, prediction for multiple values. Prediction for what exactly, sir? Multiple values. Come on, Daniel, how to do that? Ela cheyali. Simple search. Simple. First of all, try to access that area. Oh, area DF actually. Am I right or not, Sarji? Yeah. Let me just try to see. In valuation display, man, very simple, Sarji. Who told it is difficult? It's very simple. Yep. We loaded all areas values. Then, yeah, good, Daniel. Then I need to do the prediction for all these values. I need to prediction for all what exactly mean? This value. Very simple, sir. Then you can just have to call predict method. What method, Saji? Predict method. And here, take that area, single column data frame. What exactly? Single column data frame. But we need array. We need what exactly, man? To convert the data frame into array, we need to apply one attribute. What is that attribute name? Values. What is that attribute name, sir? Oh, very good, sir. Let me even just try to apply this. Oh, we are doing prediction. We loaded the data and we are doing the prediction actually. All price tags would you have? Can I print all these price tags actually? Yeah, Daniel, you can print it. Print చేద్దాం చూడండి. Look at my screen, please. అయ్యో సంథింగ్ వెంట్ రాంగ్. చెప్పండి సార్ జీ. వెరీ గుడ్. Sir, beautiful. See, for 1000, what is the price tag? You know, this one is a price tag. 3,16,000. Blah blah blah. The next value 1500. The second array value is a price tag. And for last value 7,100. This one is a price tag actually. Wow, this is seriously super. Then again, mapping is too difficult. What we can do? Take all this value and here can I add actually? Yeah, you can add. You know how to add a column to the data frame? Yeah, we already know actually. Come on. Let me just try to apply that one too. అది కూడా అప్లై చేద్దాం చూడండి. Oh, seriously super. Area of D. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, very nice. You can move on. నేను ఇక్కడ P అని తీసుకుంటాను. యో ఏరియా DF చెప్తారా? ప్రైస్ ప్రైసెస్ చెప్పండి సర్జీ. యూ కెన్ అసైన్ దిస్ వన్. సార్ రెడీ. Tomorrow also I will cover this one more time. Don't worry. What I need to print actually? Area underscore DF. What I need to print, Sarji? Area underscore. Something went wrong here. Good. Now I wanted to download the result. I wanted to download what mean? Result actually. Yeah, come on. So area dot what exactly? 2 underscore CSC. Now you can just head to real estate. Yeah. So I wanted to showcase in the file search. File display చేద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను. We'll see. Yeah, very good. Very good, search. Check current directory. Current directory check చేద్దాం చూడండి. So few guys, let me delete this one more time. ఇది నేను delete చేస్తాను చూడండి. Let me just rerun the example. Yeah, file create. Let's open this. You guys are sleeping. Please wake up. Wow, seriously beautiful search. Did you notice? I don't want this 0. Why? Because data frame as it is coming actually. I don't want this 0. What I need to do? Very good. Ignore index. Maybe some index equals to false, some ignore index equals to we need to apply actually. Yeah, please make a note. This is seriously beautiful. We have only area and we done prediction. We are adding that column also. What is that column actually? Price tag also we done. Are you with me or not, sir? Right? So kindly please understand. This whole example I will cover tomorrow also one more time. Successfully we done this example. Tomorrow also I will repeat one more time. Doing prediction for multiple values.